Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to make reels on Instagram with photos. So basically, if I'm on Reels and I want to create one, let me just go back and click on Reels and then click on the plus. Okay, now what you want to do is click the camera roll icon and you want to select your photos. Okay, so I'll select some photos here. Create a sticker, not now. Okay, what I want to do is select multiple. So where it says select, click on that and then you can select multiple. So I'll choose those 4 and click on next. And now it's creating a reel with just photos. Then you can choose a song that you want to go with that, and then you can click on next. And then as you can see, it's like a slideshow. Okay, so if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.